Hello and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Millie and welcome to another Multichrome Monday. This is a series I do here on my channel where I feature different multichromes from all different kinds of brands. I do eye swatches, swatch comparisons, tutorials, anything and everything that has to do with multichromes. And today I'm going to be doing another mixing video. So I'm going to be mixing some more multichromes, and this is going to be a little bit of a spin on that. So I have previously done a video like this with my eyeshadows and I will link it down in the description box in case you're interested in watching that one first or second, whichever. And this is all thanks to Maggie, and I will link also her channel down below and her video because she had this amazing idea to just mix a bunch of her multichromes and see what she could come up with. So today we're actually going to be mixing some of my liquid multichromes. So I thought it would be a little bit of a different kind of experience. So let's get right into the mixing, and then I'll put on my lids the little concoction that I come out with. Alright, so I decided I would use my twin flames for this. And I have a bunch of other, liquid and jelly multichromes, but for now I thought it'd be fun since I don't really love these. So like realistically, am I going to use all these up? Probably not. So I don't really feel like it's as much of a big deal to mix these. But so 3 of these, like these right here, are more of like a no base type of multichrome. And then these 3 are more like black base multichromes. So for this video, I thought I would just mix the ones that don't have a black base because I'm afraid of if I mix the black base ones together, they're probably gonna end up looking maybe just muddy. They might not even end up looking cool. But I'm thinking for the next video, I'll maybe mix one of these more translucent ones in with the black base ones. So I took those away. So what I'm thinking for this video is actually mixing these 2 together because I think this one already has a green shift in it. And so obviously because these are liquid, I'm going to have to be pretty swift in putting these on my lid before they dry down. So I already did put my eyeshadow on, and I'm gonna have to be really quick about switching out the lens to do this. So let's get into mixing. I have my little metal plate again, and then I just have these 2 like little metal spatulas. This one is from JCat. I think I got this from Ulta. And then this one is from Amazon. This one's actually for like clay. If it could focus right here, that would be great. So I'm just gonna go and start scraping these. I'm probably gonna have to use a decent amount to kind of make sure that they won't dry up too quickly. So we've got some of that. So let's do like kind of equal parts. So whatever has come out on this, I'm just going to scrape off with this one, and we'll just kind of mix them together. So this is pretty different from the powders. So it looks like the orange one got pretty lost in the green. The green definitely took over. And I know it in the camera, it just looks like it's very orange. So let's see what that looks like. That's really pretty, actually. You can see a lot of the green in there. I think we're just gonna put in a little bit more of this one. This shade is called Obsession, and the other one is Flame. So let's see how that changes that. So it's, yep, it's a little bit more green. It's a little bit lighter. So I'm thinking maybe we do like, so this is what that one looks like. And then this is what that one looks like. So definitely feel like it's more similar to the green one than the red. So let's add a little bit more red. But I did do green eyeshadow, so I kind of want to make sure it doesn't obviously go too red. But we'll see. This looks interesting. Definitely feel like I have... Yeah, so we're basically back to this shade that I had before. So here's Obsession and here is Flame. So as you can see, mixing a little bit of Flame, Obsession took over. So I'm definitely going to be adding a bit more of Flame in there. I don't really want it to look exactly like Obsession. So we're going to add a little bit more, a lot of it. I'm going to have a lot. I'm going to put it in a little container. And I think it should be fine. So we've got it, it's a little bit more red for sure, which is what I was looking for. So now let's see what that looks like. So it's a little bit more orangey, as you can see. I really like that. So that's like a nice merge. I might even add a little bit more of the orange actually. I think it looks a bit more orange in person than on a camera. So just added a little bit more. And just mixing and mixing. Ooh, I like that. That's like a nice in-between of these. So let's see how that looks like. So we got orange, which I love that. So we're gonna go with this. So this whole time I wasn't filming, but basically I just put them on the lid, and it just kind of solidified the fact that I don't like these because they're like kind of wiping away, and they're like leaving like a whitish base or some sort of like weird kind of, I don't really know how to explain it, and I have to fix the outer corners. And these do take a bit to dry down, unfortunately, so I'm just waiting for them to dry down, and then we'll take a closer look. So here is how it looks nice and close up, and the shift. So I do think it was much easier to mix something that was liquid, or not totally liquid, more like a moussey or just thicker type of formula than obviously pressed eyeshadows. And I am even more excited to do another mixing video where I mix one of the black base multichromes with a lighter multichrome. Also would be interesting to see if I can mix a liquid type of multichrome with a powder multichrome. That would be really something interesting. I obviously have no experience in any sort of cosmetic mixing with pigments, besides like probably at least 5 years ago now when I bought a bunch of stuff from TKB Trading and I thought I was going to be pressing my own eyeshadows and making my own highlighters, but that went downhill pretty quickly. There's a lot of nuanced things when it comes to mixing eyeshadows and all that kind of good stuff. So of course it is easier to play around with an already finished formula. Now that being said, I still don't like these Dennis Marks Twin Flames. I feel like, I don't know how to describe it, but it almost left like a slightly like whitish gray tone on my lids, especially after mixing. I don't remember exactly noticing that when I was using them in my original video for my review of them. They were quite translucent, and I think this made them a bit less translucent. However, I still feel like I can see kind of like a under base to them when they're on my lid now, and I gotta say they look a little chunky. This is exactly why I don't love these. Though when I touch them, nothing comes off, but they feel like, you can feel that they feel textured because they look textured. So like, I did not feel bad about mixing these. So let me know in the comments below what kind of mixing video you would like to see next. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup content already on my channel and much more to come you don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.